Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to link your bank account into Shopify. Let's get started. So in order to do that, what you can do is you need to make sure first that you have an actual plan for you. So just head over and then just buy a plan. As you can see, it's only $1 for the first month and around $19 to $299 for the succeeding month. But if you chose this right here, which is a 1 or 2 year term, you can see that they have here a total quotation for that. So just choose which one is available to you. And once you have chosen a plan, you can head over and then start receiving orders and getting paid. So once you're getting paid, you can head over to your settings right here. And then once you're in your settings, you can head over in here to your payment. So in here, you can arrange payments like Shop Pay, and in from that Shop Pay, you can actually add in here a few more payment methods. So for example, if you want to click on this add payment method, you can search in here for your bank that you have. So for example, let's search in here for this right here. So you can just choose which one, like your bank account for Swedbank or anything like that. If you try to search for bank in here, you can see Bangkok Bank, Maybank as well, CIMB, and all these banks right here that they have. So for example, you want to add in here Maybank. So let's try to head over and add this Maybank right here. Then as you can see, it will provide this checkout option for your actual customers. And once they have bought anything, they should be able to actually integrate it and it will be sent, which is the payment, it will be sent to your bank account. So for example, let's choose this ping pong checkout. And then in here, you just need to head over and install this one. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.